Hey guys, Connor here, and today I'm going to be recording a new video. Now, normally I wouldn't do this, but I'm gonna, since I don't have a good footage recorder that can get good footage, basically I can't get good footage of anything off the tablet, so this will have to do. So, today I was gonna be showing off my Nerf gun collection. As you can see, hold on. Let me try getting a good angle. Yeah, all those are Nerf guns. Sorry if it's hard to see, but I guess I can look up each of them. So I have a Nerf Night Finder. Except this little bit here, this little flashlight enhancer is missing. So, yeah. Trying to get the angle where it will show up correctly. Oh, and all of these are fully loaded. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Next is this is another one of them. As you can see, I have a few, well, not just a few off-brands, a lot of off-brands. I only have actually 3 real Nerf guns. Next, I have a Nerf hammer shot. Next, I have a Nerf side strike. Yep. This video is not fake, by the way. There are 4 of these guns that I don't know the names of, but the next one I can get. We have the Busby Jaguar. Of course, it shows up backwards on your screen. But I assure you, I'm holding it the exact same way that this image is showing. And for these other guns, if anyone knows what this is from, please tell me. And I have another pink and white. Now, for my biggest guns. I have no idea what this one's called, but it's a really cool gun, and I got one for $10. So why not buy 2 of them? As I did. I've gone insane. There's one more nerf gun on here, my list, but it's broken. It's an actual nerf gun. It's a crossbow and it's broken. It doesn't fire, nor does it work. We found it at a thrift store. About $1. Okay. I guess I'll end the video there. Bye.